It's going to do your 3 chemicals. What we got set up, we got fungicide, insecticide, a little bit of adjuvant, and then it will finish off all the water you need and you're done. So we did a 10-acre batch, 2 gallon to the acre. The mix mate's automatically going to run right at 20 gallon in this batch tank here. And then after we have it in the batch tank, all we have to do is flip a switch, pump it into the drone. So now I've turned the other pump on, we're recirculating the chemicals so it can be mixed up and ready. All you have to do now, flip your switch, come out, dump in the drone. Easy as that. After you're done filling the drone, all you have to do, flip the switch, back to recirculate, and then, you know, it's pretty simple. We can move this batch from this tank to this tank to this tank. You got 3 different options. We're recirculating back into this tank. Do you want to transfer, start a new load? Flip another switch, and there we go.
Mike with New Way Ag and also Drone Deer Recovery. We've talked about it for a long time that we're going to release our own ag drone trailer. And here it is. I'm super excited. This thing is basically 99% done. There's only one small thing that isn't completely done, so I'll point that out once we get up top. But we're gonna start with this. It is a deck over 22-foot trailer built with a 32-foot flight deck up top for your drone. So it's gonna be absolutely the best trailer if you're looking to do a lot of acres. So farmers or custom applicators that are really wanting to cover acres, this is built to run the DJI drones, the T40. You're gonna get 2 DJI generators. They're set up with charge boxes up top, so those have a cooling station in them as well. It's got power running up top to the top deck, so you get your chargers done and your batteries there, and then you get power up there as well for charging your controllers or something like that. It's gonna come with a Honda GX 160 to pump. This will basically run on idle and have enough. It'll always be circulating. It's a 2-inch pump, up to 200 gallons per minute, so plenty of pressure. So a 1,000-gallon clear water tank and the 175-gallon induction tank. This is where you're going to do your chemical mixing. But up top, that's where it gets good. So the flight deck up top is welded by Amish craftsmanship. It's the best stuff that we can do in this area. I'm telling you, it's strong. We did not go cheap. I wanted the very best, strong top flight deck. And so that's what we got with this flight deck. Let's hop up top and I'll show you the super secret sauce that we have that nobody else has right now. All right, so up top, what I'm super excited about is this floor. This is the part where we're just not completely done. This floor up top will be one solid piece. Currently we have a couple different pieces, but it's gonna be one solid piece in the trailers that are being mass produced. I'm telling you guys, I did over 11,000 acres in Indiana last year. Great. You know, this is where we come up through when we get on the top deck. We got the railing up top here. This is the power if you want to charge your controllers and that type of thing. This is to put an umbrella to have some shade. You're gonna get a hose reel as well. It'll go all the way out to the farthest drone that's set out there. This is another cool thing that I haven't seen another trailer that has done this, but we built the charge boxes into the deck of the trailer. And why we did this is we want to be really efficient. We don't want to be carrying batteries from the front to the back. You grab one, obviously lift with your legs, come over here, drop it in, and you're like within 2 steps from, you know, being able to put your battery into your drone. That is one thing that I haven't seen anybody else do.
A lot of people fill from the top of their tanks, which is fine, but that makes a lot of foam in your chemical, takes a lot longer. We drilled in, put bulkheads towards the bottom of our tanks. That way when it fills from the closest it can to the bottom up, reducing foam, getting a faster fill and getting you back out there faster. Now, a lot of companies out there downsize going from the 1-inch hose to a 3/4 inch fill nozzle because it's easily accessible and cheaper. Not us. We kept a 1-inch fill nozzle on this paid the extra money for you guys. That way you got maximum flow rate. That way you're not wasting time, you're getting filled faster, getting out there, okay? Another thing I think that sets us apart is, as you can see, we use actual name brand Honda engines on our trailers with Pacer pumps on the backside. That way, if you ever have a problem out in the field, you break something, every farm store in America carries repair kits for Pacer pumps. It's name brand, it's not generic. You can get these repair kits any farm store, get it fixed, keep you out there, not wasting any time.